भी नहीं है ये माना कि मैं फिर जमा है हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है ये माना कि मैं फिर जमा है हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है। निगाहों में तू है ये दिल झूमता है। निगाहों में तू है न जाने मोहब्बत की राहों में क्या है। न जाने मोहब्बत की राहों में क्या है। राहों में क्या है जो तू हम ये दिल बदगुमा नजर को यकीन है। ये दिल बदगुमा नजर को यकीन है ये माना कि मैं फिर जमा है हंसी है। तू जो नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि अस्समीउल अलीम मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Very simple question. What is meant by simple?
Easy.
Easy.
Relax.
What is meant by simple? Simple question.
Normal.
Shahab says that simple means easy.
General.
General, no.
Normal.
Please. Normal.
Not difficult.
Not difficult. Excellent. A very simple question to you. Where are you standing right now?
At Sila.
One by one. Complete answer.
I am standing at Sila.
Okay.
I'm standing at Sila.
Let's see. Please.
I am standing at Sila.
Okay.
I am standing at Sila.
I am standing at Sila.
I am standing at Sila.
Again.
I am standing at Sila.
Excellent.
I am standing at Sila.
I am standing at Sila.
I am standing at Sila.
Okay. My question, what are you doing? So simple. You are standing. Clear. And what are you doing over here?
We are
You.
learning.
I'm talking about you. What are you doing over here?
I am learning here.
You are learning what?
I am learning the English spoken.
You are learning English language.
English. I'm asking questions.
You are asking questions.
I am learning English.
You are learning English.
I am giving answers.
You are giving answers. Excellent.
I am increasing my knowledge.
Excellent. You are increasing your knowledge. What is he doing? He is learning English language. What is he doing?
He's asking questions.
What is Mr. Shafadullah doing?
He's answering the questions.
No, that is Abdul Malik. What is Mr. Shafadullah doing? He is doing nothing. Please, what are you doing?
I am learning English.
You are learning English.
I am gaining knowledge.
You are gaining knowledge.
I am learning English.
Okay, you are learning English.
I am clearing my concept.
You are clearing your concepts. I'm changing the question now. What is being done? You are standing. You are over here in front of me right now. You are with me. You are at Ceylon. My question, what is being done?
Questions are being asked.
Format number 4. Format number
Four.
4 is being revised. Okay, what is being done?
Lecture is being listened.
The lecture is being attended.
Attended.
The lecture is being attended. G.
Answers are being given.
Answers are given. Answers are being given. G. Tiredness is being felt. थकावट महसूस की जा रही है. Yawning is being controlled. जमाई रोकी जा रही है जी.
Dosing is being controlled.
ठीक हो गया जी. Dose. हाँ जी.
Knowledge is being enhanced.
Excellent. No, knowledge is being enhanced. Excellent. जी.
Sir, information is being shared.
Excellent. Information is being shared.
Learning beings are English.
English is being learned.
Skills of English language are being
Developed. Excellent. The English language skills. The English language skills are being developed. Very good. Format number 5. Format number
Five.
5. Today's lesson is
Was being.
excellent. Format number
Five.
Format number 4 is based on the question what is being done, and format number 5 is based on the
What
question
was-
what was being done. When Mr. Kifayatullah knocked at the door just 10 minutes ago, what was being done in this class?
Information was being shared.
Excellent. No, pieces of information were being shared, or
Select
information
information
was being shared. Please.
Tea was being taken.
Tea was being taken. Excellent. G. Tea was being taken at the time, or in other word, no, when Mr. Kifayatullah knocked at the door, tea was being taken. G.
question was being asked.
The questions were being asked and answers were being given. Examples were being given. G.
Video recording was being started.
At that time, no.
Through
The discussion was being recorded. Our discussion was being recorded when Mr. Kifayatullah knocked at the door just 12 minutes ago. Please.
The class was being started.
The was being started. Class had been started. Format number 11. The class had been started. Class तो शुरू की जा चुकी थी. What was being done?
Previous lecture was being
Revised. Excellent. The previous lessons were being revised. The previous lectures were being revised. Clear? You came from your home.
Yes.
You came from your home.
Yes.
When you left your home, what was being done over there? And which part of the house? Which part of the home? Question is clear?
Yes.
For example, TV was being watched in the TV lounge. Food was being cooked
Yes.
in the kitchen. Excellent. See, what was being done at your home at the time of your departure? Please.
Funny videos were being watched at TV.
The funny videos were being watched
And in TV.
in the TV lounge, in the living room.
Yes.
Let's see. Ji.
Sleep was being enjoyed.
Excellent. Excellent. Sleep was being enjoyed in the bedroom. When you left your home, no, for Sila. Ji.
Lunch was being taken in the dining hall.
Excellent. The lunch was being taken in the dining hall, at the dining table. At the dining table. In the dining hall. Clear? Ji. On the dining mat. Ji.
news were being News were being watched at TV.
News, what's a mistake?
Was.
Excellent. News is always
Was.
no, or is. News was being watched on television. On which channel?
Geo channel.
On Geo channel. News was being watched on Geo channel. G.
Lesson was being revised in the study room.
Sure.
Yes.
सच्ची सच्ची गल्लां करें सो तो जल्दी समझो. The lesson was being revised in the study room. Who was revising it?
My younger brother.
Excellent.
Test was being prepared.
Excellent. No, the test was being prepared. Who was preparing it?
Sisters.
Very good. Absolutely right. G.
The clothes were being pressed on.
Excellent. The clothes were being pressed. Who was pressing?
Mr. Anayatullah.
मिस्टर इनायतुल्लाह. बात क्लियर होगी ना जी. अब ये हम जुमला किससे शुरू हो रहा है? वर्ड से, who से नहीं. हाँ जी.
Lesson was being left.
The lesson was being learned. सबक याद किया जा रहा था. जी.
Shoes were being polished in storeroom.
Excellent. No, shoes were being polished. Where?
In storeroom.
In the storeroom. जी.
Cell phone was being charged by.
Excellent. बात खत्म हो गई. No, the cell phone was being charged. Clear? जी.
Medicines are being taken. Were being taken.
Again, बेटा.
Medicines were being taken.
Medicine was being taken. Let me know what was being done on the way. On the way to Sila. Sila आने वाले रास्ते पर क्या किया जा रहा था? What was being done? And where? What was being done and where? G.
The road was being built.
What?
The road was being built.
Excellent. The road was being constructed. The road was being constructed. Road construct की जा रही थी. Where?
Missing Glory Road.
पक्की गल है.
सर वो आप कह रहे हो इससे आगे वाला मोड़ है जो इस रोड पे सीधा वो बन रही है.
हाँ.
मस्जिद के सामने.
Excellent. Near the mosque, in front of the mosque. Clear? Please. The road was being constructed. G.
Cricket was being played.
Where? गली.
No sir.
हाँ.
Which? Behind the house.
Excellent. पूरी बात बोल रहे हैं. Cricket was being played no behind the house. घर के अक में क्रिकेट खेली जा रही थी. Clear?
Yes.
Please.
Sugarcane juice was being enjoyed.
Excellent. Sugarcane juice was being enjoyed. Excellent. Where? Who was there and what was being done? दोनों में अजीब बिल्कुल फर्क है. अगर आप हॉस्पिटल्स की बात करें तो आप कह सकते हो कि the patients were being treated. मरीजों का इलाज किया जा रहा था. The doctors were being consulted. डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट किया जा रहा था. वो बात समझ आई?
Hospital was being visited.
Excellent. No. Injections were being given. Medicine was being prescribed. Medicine prescribe की जा रही थी. ओ भाई साहब जी. On your way to Sila, what was being done?
The
I'm
shop.
talking about your today's observation.
The shop was being opened.
बात करो मैंने दुकान खोली जा रही थी. ये कहाँ पे?
Naseem Colony में जाकर
पक्की गल है.
Yes.
The shop was being opened. ठीक है मान लेते.
The Holy
Good.
Quran was being recited.
Where?
And
In the mosque.
In the service of Madrasa.
Excellent. Very good beta. You passed by Ashab Sufa
Yes.
and you noticed, you felt, you saw, you observed, you watched, you came to know. बात कर रही?
Yes.
That the Holy Quran was being recited. The Holy Quran was being taught. The Holy Quran was being learned. Clear हुआ?
Yes.
The Holy Quran was being understood. जी please.
Car was being driven fast.
The car was being driven. The car was being driven
Fastly.
fast. No fastly. Fast. The car was being driven fast. Fast.
The building was being built.
Excellent. The building was being constructed. खूबसूरत लगता है ना construction, no? Building बुरा लगता है. The building was being constructed. Where? At the start of the street. इसी गली की गल करते हैं. हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक जहाँ पे पानी खड़ा है. वाह. So the building was being constructed in this street. अच्छा. When you passed by your uncle's house, बात को समझिए बेटा please. When Mr. Abdul Malik passed by मैंने क्या लफ्ज़ बोला?
Passed by.
Passed by his uncle's house. जब ये अपने अंकल के घर के पास से गुजरे, he observed, इन्होंने देखा, he noticed, इन्होंने नोटिस किया, he saw, इन्होंने देखा, he came to know, इन्हें इल्म हुआ। बात समझ किस बात का? That के the gate was being opened, clear, and the guests were being welcomed। या कोई वैसे कोई और चक्कर सी खुद very good, the gate was being opened, no, and the departure preparation were being made, रवानगी की तैयारियां हो रही थी, the car was being started, it was being brought out, इसे बाहर लाया जा रहा था, the car was being brought out of the gate, clear?
Yes.
वाह मजा आया। Did you pass by the mosque someday?
Yes.
When?
Today.
Today. You passed by the mosque today. What was being done over there?
Holy Quran was being recited.
Okay.
Nawafil was being offered.
Very good. The prayer was being offered. ठीक है जी, नमाज अदा की जा रही थी। Ablution was being performed. वुदू किया जा रहा था।
Azan was being recited.
The call was being pronounced. Azan. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. The call was being pronounced. Azan दी जा रही थी, याद रहेगी?
Yes.
The call was being pronounced. Azan दी जा रही थी। The prayer was being offered. नमाज अदा की जा रही थी। बात क्लियर होगी? The sermon was being delivered. खुतबा दिया जा रहा था। What? The sermon. S-E-R-M-O-N. The sermon was being delivered. जी।
Holy Quran was being taught.
Excellent. The Holy Quran was being taught. जी।
The mosque was being cleaned.
The mosque was being cleaned. No, the prayer mats. What?
The prayer mats.
क्या होते हैं?
Cleanliness.
सफ़ा। The prayer mats were being spread. सफ़े बिछाई जा रही थी।
The Nafal prayer was being offered.
Okay, the prayer was being offered. The prayer was being offered. जी। When you came here today, let me know your observation. You entered the room. When you entered the room, at that particular moment, what was being done in this room, please? Mr. Rafi was taking tea. Module 1. Who was taking tea? Mr. Rafi was taking tea. Mr. Rafi was sitting in the chair. Mr. Rafi was operating the laptop. Mr. Rafi was making preparation. Mr. Rafi was preparing, the class, the lesson.
Rafi was surfing internet.
Mr. Rafi was surfing internet. लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये नहीं है। सवाल है what was being done? Tea was being drunk. The internet was being served. The laptop was being operated. Seat was being had. No, the lecture, the lesson was being prepared. हाँ नहीं। Let me know what was being done.
The chair was being set.
The chairs were being arranged.
Arranged.
ये ठीक हुई बात। When you entered, at that particular moment, the chairs were being arranged. कुर्सियाँ arrange की जा रही थी।
Previous lesson was being revised.
आप लेट आए? जब आप आए तो सब लेसन रिवाइज किया जा रहा था।
Yes.
कौन कर रहा था?
भाई शाह रशिया को कुछ कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, ये दोनों आपस में बैठे थे। श्योर?
आफ्ताब
ये दोनों लगे थे आपस में।
नहीं भाई आफ्ताब दूर बैठ के कर रहे हैं।
तो मैं दो में पता ना, मेरे साथ कर रहे थे, मैं दो पूछता था नहीं सारे। When you entered, you saw these two people, and you came to know that the previous lesson was being revised. Clear? The previous lesson was being revised. जी। सवाल है what was being done?
Relevant things were being adjusted.
Excellent. The required, the concerned things, the required things, the relevant things were being
Adjusted.
adjusted. Excellent. मतलूबा तमाम चीज़ें adjust की जा रही थी। जी।
Gossips were being done, hatched.
ठीक हो गया जी। कल आप यहाँ से गए घर सीधा गए थे? गए घर ही गए?
Yes.
यहाँ से आप छुट्टी हुई सीधा आप घर गए, आप हॉस्टल गए, आप भी हॉस्टल गए, आप अकेडमी गए या घर गए?
घर से गए।
हाँ, लेकिन घर पहले गए ना, मदरसा गए तुसी?
नहीं।
हाँ, अच्छा ठहर गई. Yesterday, after the class, you went back your home. When you arrived at your home, what was being done in your house at that time? Please.
The weather was being enjoyed.
Excellent. The weather was being enjoyed. आप मार्केट गए? कब गए? When did you visit the market? Yesterday. You visited the market yesterday. जी.
2 days ago.
2 days ago. जी.
No,
कभी गए नहीं.
काफी अर्सा हो गया.
बताए ना. कोई याद होगा 1 महीना पहले, 2 महीना पहले, 10 साल पहले. Okay, when बेटा?
So 1 month.
You visited the market no 1 month ago. You visited the market 2 days ago. You visited the market yesterday. जी.
2 days ago.
You visited the market 2 days ago. जी.
Yesterday.
You visited the market yesterday. Today. You visited the market today. जी.
Yesterday.
पूरी बात.
Yesterday.
पूरी बात.
The market.
I visited the market
Yes.
today or yesterday. पूरी गल.
I visit the market.
You visited the market yesterday.
I visited the market today.
Today. Excellent. When you reach the market, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ 2 ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਯਾਦ ਕਰੋ. When you reach the market, what was being done over there?
Vegetables were being sold.
ਤੁਸੀਂ मतलब सब्जी वाली दुकान पे गया पहले. The vegetables were being sold. सब्जियां बेची जा रही थी. What was being done? Hurry up.
Books were being bought.
The books were being bought. Books were being purchased. किताबें खरीदी जा रही थी. किताब वाली दुकान पे गया हो. जी.
Milk was being enjoyed.
Excellent.
Milk shop.
Milk was being
Enjoyed.
enjoyed. दूध enjoy किया जा रहा था. कैसे?
रबड़ी दूध पी रहा था.
पिया जा रहा ना. Milk was being drunk. दूध पिया जा रहा था. जी.
The shoes were being bought.
Very good. Shoes were being bought. जूते खरीदे जा रहे थे. तुम जूते की दुकान पे गए हो. Shoes were being bought. जूते खरीदे जा रहे थे.
Different shops was being visited.
Very good. Different shops were being visited. मुख्तलिफ दुकानों को विजिट किया जा रहा था. आपने देखा मुख्तलिफ लोग मुख्तलिफ दुकानों पे थे. हाँ जी.
The watermelons were being purchased.
बड़ी गल है. बड़े अरसे बाद इन्वाण का जिक्र आ. हाँ जी. Watermelon was being eaten. ये कहने जा रहे हैं आप?
The purchased.
हाँ. Watermelon was being purchased. Was being sold. जी. Was being checked.
Books were being purchased.
Books were being purchased. जी.
The vegetable was being oiled.
Vegetables were being क्या किया जा रहा है? Bought.
Bought.
आप सुबह उठे. आज सुबह उठे हो ना.
Yes.
रात सुते रहो ना. सवेरे उठे तुसी. जो ही आँख खोली. जो आज का पहला मंजर है. आज आपका पहला मंजर है मेरे साथ शेयर कीजिए. जब आपने आंखें खोली. When you opened your eyes in the morning, this morning, what was being done at that time? जी. आपने सामने क्या देखा? In your hostel, in your house, in your house. जी.
Sleep was being enjoyed.
पक्की गल है. Who was sleeping?
My younger sister.
Very good. No sleep. No. When you got up, you saw someone and you noticed that sound sleep was being enjoyed. गहरी नींद enjoy की जा रही थी.
Prayer was being offered.
Offered. नमाज अदा की जा रही थी. The Fajr prayer was being offered. सुबह सुबह उठे इसका मतलब है.
Breakfast was being taken.
Excellent. The breakfast was being taken. नाश्ता किया जा रहा था. The Fajr prayer was being offered. ये क्या कहते हैं?
Breakfast was being
The breakfast was being eaten, had, enjoyed. ये कहते हैं sound sleep was being enjoyed.
The window was being opened.
The window was being opened. Who was opening the window? हाँ पक्की गल है. हुण तुक्का नहीं लाना जी. You opened your eyes. You got up early in the morning and you saw that the window was being opened. Who was opening it? Your father. Window was being opened. जी.
The Quran was being recited.
The Holy Quran was being recited. Quran पढ़ा जा रहा था. Who was reciting it?
Chacha Nasir.
Excellent. जी, please.
Ablution was being performed.
The ablution was being performed. Who was performing ablution?
My mother.
My mother. Excellent. Who was sleeping? Younger sister. Who was performing ablution? No, your mother. बात क्लियर हो गई. यही लेसन है. अब असाइनमेंट देखें जी. अभी यहाँ से जाओगे, कल आने तक 23 घंटे के बाद हमें मिलना है। इन 23 घंटों में जो जो आपने देखना है लिखते जाना है। मुझे कल हर आदमी ने कम से कम 10 बातें बतानी है जगह के साथ। आप कहोगे जी, मसलन आप गुजरते हो मस्जिद के पास, तो आप व्हेन आई पास्ड बाय द मॉस्क द असर प्रेयर वाज बीइंग ऑफर्ड, आई पास्ड बाय द शॉप द थिंग्स वर बीइंग सोल्ड, आई पास्ड बाय द हॉस्पिटल, नो द पेशेंट्स वर बीइंग ट्रीटेड, द डॉक्टर वाज बीइंग कंसल्टेड। बात समझाइए, ये है आपकी असाइनमेंट। 23 घंटों की ऑब्जर्वेशन शेयर करोगे तो ये रिवीजन हो जाएगी। लेसन नंबर 5 कल इंशाल्लाह 6 करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।